Setting up Mailchimp for automated sales processes can significantly streamline your business, saving time and increasing conversions. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process of setting it up, step by step, and show you how to create a powerful automated sales workflow that works for you. Stick with me till the end because we've got an exclusive bonus waiting just for you. Before we dive in, don't forget, you can try Mailchimp for free using the first link in the description below. You'll also get some amazing bonuses to supercharge your setup, so be sure to check that out after the video. First things first, let's get Mailchimp set up. If you don't already have an account, head over to their website, sign up, and choose the free plan if you're just starting out. Once you've logged in, you'll want to start by creating an audience. This is crucial because your automated sales process will rely on the data from your audience. Upload any existing contacts or create a new list for your subscribers, and make sure to add any necessary tags for better segmentation. Next thing, we'll set up a welcome email automation. This is one of the most effective ways to engage your leads immediately. Go to the Automations tab, select Customer Journey, and then choose the Welcome Email option. A simple yet personalized email welcoming new subscribers will keep them interested and start building that trust from the first interaction. Don't forget to make this email feel personal. Use their first name, include some value, and offer something enticing, like a discount or freebie. The third thing you want to do is set up follow-up emails. Once your subscribers have received your welcome email, you'll want to keep the conversation going. With Mailchimp's automation tools, you can set up a series of follow-up emails that nurture leads through the sales process. Schedule them at intervals, offering value at each step. For example, you could send an email with helpful content, another with customer success stories, and then one with a special promotion or offer. This keeps the engagement going and increases the likelihood of a sale. Next, let's talk about abandoned cart emails. If you run an e-commerce site or sell anything online, this one's essential. You can set up a series of automated emails that are triggered when someone adds an item to their cart but doesn't complete the purchase. Mailchimp lets you customize these emails to include product details, images, and special discounts to encourage that final step, getting the sale. The fifth thing is segmenting your audience. Not all of your contacts will be the same. Some are new leads, some are repeat customers, and some might be high-value clients. With Mailchimp's segmentation features, you can create different groups based on various criteria like behavior, purchase history, or engagement levels. This ensures that your automated emails are highly targeted and relevant to each person, increasing the chances of conversion. Lastly, test your automation and optimize. Once everything is set up, it's time to test. Send test emails to ensure they're looking great and that everything flows as it should. Monitor your open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Based on these results, tweak your emails for maximum impact. This process is ongoing, so always be looking for opportunities to improve. To wrap up, remember that Mailchimp is an incredibly powerful tool for automating your sales process, and by following these steps, you can set up a system that works seamlessly in the background while you focus on other aspects of your business. And remember, you can get started with Mailchimp for free through the first link in the description below, plus an exclusive extended trial that you won't find anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and make sure to grab your bonus offer before it's gone.